February is often overlooked by gardeners, but this is exactly when the successful cultivation of celery truly begins. If your goal is to harvest large, firm and healthy celery heads, timing is everything. Celery has a long growing season and a very slow start, which means delays early on will affect the final result months later. Starting early gives the plants a crucial advantage that cannot be recovered once the season is underway. The first step is choosing high-quality seed. Celery seeds are extremely small and can be challenging to germinate, so it is worth investing in fresh seed from reliable sources. Before sowing, it helps to understand that celery requires stable conditions, consistent moisture, and warmth to germinate properly. Use a light, well-aerated seed-starting mix designed for seedlings. Lightly moisten the growing medium before sowing so the seeds stay near the surface and germinate evenly. Celery seeds should not be buried deeply as they need light to sprout. Simply press them gently onto the surface or cover them with a very thin layer of fine substrate. After sowing, cover the container with a clear lid or plastic wrap to retain humidity. The ideal temperature for germination is around 68 to 72 degrees. Germination can take up to 2 or even 3 weeks, so patience is essential during this stage. Keep the surface consistently moist, but never waterlogged. Once the seedlings appear, light becomes the most important factor. A common mistake is placing young plants in a location with insufficient light, which causes them to stretch and weaken. Celery seedlings need a bright position or supplemental grow lights to stay compact and strong. Water carefully and moderately, as excessive moisture can quickly lead to rot. Bottom watering is a good technique at this stage to protect delicate stems. When the plants develop several true leaves, it is time to transplant them into individual containers. Handle the seedlings gently and make sure the growing point remains above the soil surface. Planting too deeply can slow growth significantly. At this stage, a mild organic feed can be introduced to support root development and overall strength. As spring approaches, the young plants should be gradually acclimated to cooler temperatures and outdoor conditions. This hardening off process reduces stress and allows celery to continue growing smoothly once planted in the garden. Before transplanting outdoors, the soil should be deeply worked, rich in organic matter, and consistently moist, as celery thrives in nutrient-dense soil with steady water availability. Growing celery from seed requires attention and consistency, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Plants started correctly in February develop stronger root systems, face fewer problems during the season, and produce larger, better quality heads. When the groundwork is done properly early on, the rest of the growing season becomes far easier and the harvest far more satisfying.